Hey guys, so today's video is all about the eye look that I have right here. I call this like a nice dark plum smoky eye. It's really pretty and really sultry, perfect for nighttime. This is like my first kind of eye makeup tutorial on YouTube, and I'm really excited because I didn't really have any direction whenever I sat down to film this video. Just kind of did whatever I felt like. And I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. We are going to start with the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Mine is very gross and dirty, so we're not going to look at that. I'm first going to prime my eye, and I'm going to do that with the concealer that I already used on my face, which is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. And the purpose of priming the eye, if some of you guys don't know, is so that way you start with a clean, clear canvas on the eyes. No veins are going to pop through, no discoloration, and no color, because that will allow every color to truly have its moment on your eye. So we're just gonna blend this out. So I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance, and I'm going to go in with the shade Golden Ochre. So like I did on this eye, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here. Next, with the same brush, I'm going in with the Morphe 441. This is what I've been using, and I'm going to go into the shade Burnt Orange. Tap the excess off and go in. Next, this is actually the brush that came inside the Anastasia palette. We're just gonna go in with the shade Golden Ochre right here on a more precise, thicker eyeshadow brush, because we are really going to pack this on the lid. What I'm doing is I'm applying the eyeshadow first at the bottom base of my eye, and what this is going to do is it's going to allow the color to gradient rise up, and that will allow for a better blending opportunity, because not everything is just going to be all over the place at once. We're going to start low, get it thick, get it packed on, and then we're going to blend up. Next, we're just going to flip over the brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Burnt Orange and just blend everything out that we've put on our lid already. So eyeshadow is already getting a little smoky, which is the look that we're going for, of course. So next I'm going to go in with the Morphe Y20 brush, and we're going to go into the shade Cypress Umber right here. And I'm just going to put a little bit on this brush. We're just going to take this and we're going to concentrate it on the outer V of the eye. We're just going to press and low-key swipe just a little bit, but we're mainly going to press and just concentrate it. Next, I'm just going to take any blending brush that I have and go into the shade Burnt Orange and just kind of buff that out. So while we have that going on, we are going to go back into the shade that we used to pack on red ochre on our lids. Same brush, and we're going to just take the tiniest bit of red ochre, again, lightly press it under the lower lash line. With this color, we're not going to go all the way into the inner corner of the eye, because we want to keep a little bit of openness and that wide-eyed kind of smoky eye look. Next, we're going to go in with some black liquid eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to go in with the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm just going to take the same mascara and apply on our lower lashes. To finish the face, I'm going to go ahead and contour, and for that I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm just going to focus on these two shades with just a little press of that. And on the forehead as well. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M527. This is also another powder bronzer brush, and I'm just going to go in, this is clean, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of blend what I've already put down. And then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Saddle. And since I'm not going for anything kind of precise, because this is a smoky eye, smoky nighttime look that we're doing, I'm just gonna take whatever, kind of pinch the sides of the brush, and I'm just gonna go along the sides of my nose for a little extra warmth on the sides of my nose. I'm also gonna take whatever's left and apply some on the bottom of my lips. For blush, I'm using the Morphe Brushes 9B blush palette, and I'm just gonna use like a mix of just some random colors. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator by Laura Geller in the shade Gilded Honey. I love this highlighter. First of all, hello, can we just talk about the fact that I literally fucking broke it? But who cares? I'm gonna go with the Tati Beauty, just one of her small sponge thingies, and I'm just gonna press and tap. I'm just gonna take a little extra and put some on the tip of my nose and down the center as well. Also gonna take some highlighter and put some on the inner corners of my eyes just for a little extra glow. Also gonna take a little extra and put some underneath my eyebrows, even though I have not done my eyebrows yet. Just, who cares? Just go in whatever makeup order you like. There are no rules. Eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil thingy. I don't know the name, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in. Let me use an actual mirror. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the Nars Satin Lip Pencil in the shade Rikugien. This is just gonna give us like a little wash of some pinky color on our lips, just for that natural girly look, since we did go so heavy on the eyes. To finish, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Gloss Balm in the shade Fenty Glow. A little bit just like right in the center, just like that. Okay. And there you have it, guys. That is today's completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe down below. Any ideas that you have for me to film, leave them down in the description box. I read all the comments and I really would appreciate that. So I don't think I have anything left to say to you guys other than have a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.